Okay, so this is a video that I just created in Perplexity based on this photo. So even though this platform is known for its research capability, but they can actually create a video like this from a single photo. So let me show you how you can do it. So for this example, I'm going to be using this photo. And by the way, this photo was created directly in Perplexity. And after that, I'm going to open a new tab, a new tab on Perplexity, and I'll just drag and drop that picture into Perplexity. And after that, you can describe what is the action that must happen in the video. Now, before I continue, there is something here that you need to note. This picture for creating a video is only available if you're using the paid version of Perplexity, and even that, there is a something model that you can access based on the level of your subscription. So in this case, I'm using the Pro version of Perplexity, and that grants me VO 3.1 as this right now. But in the future, it could be different. And also, if you're subscribing to the Max version, then you have access to the Sora 2 Pro model from OpenAI, which is arguably can be a lot better than the VO 3 model from Google. But anyway, I'll continue with this model. So for me, I'll just continue and I can discard the video. So in this case, this generate a video where the car is morphing into a transformer style gigantic humanoid robot. So that's almost like Bumblebee. Okay, basically in the prompt you want to make sure that you include an explicit command that you want to generate a video. Otherwise, AI is not going to understand your request and might not generate a video. So make sure to include this kind of command in your prompting. Okay, I think this prompt is fine. Okay, I guess I'm going to add like a bumblebee. Okay, so there's nothing else you need to change. Just send a message and just wait for the instruction or the prompt to be processed. And after that, if everything is good, then you will see a sort of loading box right here, and you will see the video later. So this process might take several minutes depending on the model and also depending on the duration and complexity of the video. So I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the result. Okay, so this is the result. Well, it's surprisingly look really good. The picture looks sharp, and yeah, I mean, it's not exactly the same as in the movie, but, you know, for an AI technology, I think it looks really good. If you want a video, you can click the download button. And also, I think there is one thing here that you need to know that there is a limit on how many times you can use this feature in Perplexity. For me, I'm using the Pro version of Perplexity, and as far as I know, the limit is only 3 videos in a month, 3 or maybe 5 videos. I'm not sure about that exact number, but basically it's not a lot. So this is definitely not the go-to place to create an AI video, but I would say this is still a nice to have feature, especially on this AI research tool. So maybe you want to create some short video, or you want to create some branding animation for your organization. I think you can use this feature. But anyway, that's basically if I can generate a video from a picture using Perplexity AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.